Hello guys, my name is Siddharth Varde and this is Unity Fundamentals 1 Mat1 Answer7. So the first question is explain what is Vector2 and Vector3 in Unity. Okay, so in general mathematics there are two types of values. Okay, one is scalar, second is vectors. Okay, so scalars in scalars it just stores the magnitude. Okay, and magnitude or a value. Okay, then in vectors stores the direction and the magnitude. Okay, so like in Unity vectors are the same thing also, like they are the same thing as in general mathematics. So they are the type of data type in Unity that stores the direction and the magnitude. Okay, so like Unity provides this structured named Vector2 and Vector3. So Vector2 is a structure that stores the two-dimensional magnitude and the direction. Okay, and Vector3 is a structure that stores the three-dimensional magnitude and the direction. So in a Vector2 there would be like only two axes, x axis and y axis, and in Vector3 there would be three axes, x axis, y axis and z axis. So that is the vector. So it's a struct that vector is a structure, a data type that is provided by Unity to store the magnitude and the value. Vector2 stores the two-dimensional magnitude and value, and Vector3 stores the three-dimensional magnitude and value. Okay, the second question is when OnDiasable method gets called in Unity. Explain the use case of it. Okay, so OnDiasable method is like it's a method that gets called whenever I disable the component, like like the script component of a game object, or whenever I disable the entire game object. So this method gets called both the time. So yes, so now the question is what like why would I use it? Okay, so let's say like there are 4 or 5 enemies in the level and we are not exactly destroying them, we are disabling them for certain reasons. So, like maybe we want to use them later in the game or something like that. So that's why we are not destroying them, we are just disabling them. But when they get disabled, we want to reduce that remaining number of enemies from the level. So at that time like we can use, whenever I disable the enemy, that number will get reduced. So like let's say there was 4, then it will get 3, then 2, then 1. So when all the enemies are like that number is 0, all the enemies are disabled, then we can say like okay, this level is cleared and anything like that. So okay, that is it. Thank you.